It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another market update. Market looks good in my opinion. In fact, I believe the market is more stronger than ever when you think about some of the developments that's happening from an adoption standpoint, right? You can talk about the stable coins, the lenient laws, and all type of things. But at the end of the day, Bitcoin is still holding over and above 100,000, and this is an optimal opportunity for anybody that's holding altcoins, because we got so much catalyst that can lead us into an altcoin rally and even a altcoin season. But George, I get it. I know a lot of people, they don't want to talk about altcoin season right now. I want to talk about BitTensor, because I would recommend anybody, of course this is not financial advice, but I would recommend anybody to lock in into one ecosystem that you believe in. It doesn't have to be BitTensor, TAO. There's some other really good ecosystems out there. But for me, it makes most sense to lock in with BitTensor because I use AI daily. I know how AI is being implemented. I trust that AI is going to be the most lucrative opportunity in crypto, risk on assets, whichever you want to call it. I just think that AI is the narrative that's going to make you the most money, because frankly, it's the narrative that I'm seeing being used every day and daily. I wanted to talk about a few subnets. I did want to talk about a few subnets. I'm gonna go into move because it always seems like when I start recording, it gotta be somebody that want to come stand by me and shit, making noise. I want to talk about 3 subnets weekly, right? Just weekly, that I've been researching and studying. Look at it like this. Why should I go to other ecosystems to buy AI products or whatever tokens when I could just focus on one ecosystem that's doing pretty much everything? For example, I can go buy decentralized science tokens on any other chain, but there's decentralized science subnets being built within TAO's ecosystem. I can go look for sports betting, prediction markets, and go to Ethereum chain or whatever chain, Solana chain, and take that risk when I'm already within an ecosystem that I'm confident in that's building similar things in the ecosystem. So I thought about it like, I just need to become a TAO Maxi, right? I just need to become a BitTensor ecosystem Maxi, and that's pretty much how I'm viewing everything at this point. First subnet I want to talk about is subnet 93, which is Bitcash, right? I think that Bitcash is disrupting a billion-dollar creator economy. It's disrupting a billion-dollar creator economy. So, and they generate revenue. So that makes sense for me because I'm a YouTuber, right? I'm a YouTuber, and I don't want to have to deal with going out talking to companies that's giving me shady deals when there's a decentralized version of monetization right here on BitTensor. For example, right? Companies will deliver their briefs to Bitcash, right? And as a YouTube content creator, and you can do this now, you can create a miner, right? In BitTensor, Bitcash miner. You can create a miner, and you can go straight to the website, go over the briefs. You can go over the briefs, right? And start making content. Now, what your miner is going to do is it's going to review your YouTube channel or whatever platform you're using and analyze it, and you'll be able to mine and earn TAO or Bitcash through your analytics. So it's very simple. I don't have to wait on a marketing deal or wait for some company to call me. I can just log in into my Bitcash account, go over a whole bunch of briefs, and talk about whatever. And I'm going to get incentivized through my miner based on the analytics of my YouTube channel. Now, how this works out for, the people that's, making deals, let's say subnets, that's on TAO's ecosystem, right? Well, they can just send over whatever brief they want to Bitcash, right? Pay Bitcash, TAO, or whatever alpha token, and then, you know what I mean? They don't have to worry about getting, scammed, right, by a content creator, because when the Bitcash miner, you can't fake likes, you can't fake comments. It goes directly off the analytics of engagement, organic engagement. So their AI detection, right, analyzes your YouTube video and sees if it hits each point of POI, right, of the brief. And if it checks out, it gives you a pass, right? If it doesn't, then you won't get monetized for it. So this protects those marketing companies that, or these projects out there that want to promote their products and they want to actually get good YouTubers, good KOLs, transparent influencers without getting scammed by influencers. So it makes sense for me because Bitcast can earn revenue from all of these products and subnet launches. And even in the meantime, me as a content creator, I don't have to talk to anybody personally. I don't have to. I know that Bitcast is only covering legit products and legit projects, so I don't have to deal with those companies that's trying to get over on me as an influencer, right? I can just go straight to my Bitcast dashboard, check out my briefs, go over my briefs, do my content, make my TAO. So every time I make a YouTube video, I'm earning and mining TAO. Makes sense. Meanwhile, Bitcast is generating all of this revenue from these products and these subnets and possibly even things outside the BitTensor ecosystem. And they're using a percentage of that for buybacks or to further enhance the ecosystem. Another subnet that I'm really big on is Subnet 73, which is MetaHash. I'm really big on MetaHash because they're doing something I haven't seen any other subnet do. And like I said, I wanted to cover 3 subnets. We call it subnet something, but I want to cover 3 subnets. But utility use case here with MetaHash, right? They're building the first OTC trading environment, right? So over the counter. So have you ever seen like Michael Saylor or these big dog whales with Bitcoin sell their Bitcoin over the counter because they don't want to add selling pressure to Bitcoin? And the same could be said for subnets, right? Let's say you a subnet and you've generated all this revenue in your alpha token, and now you got to sell your alpha token to actually enhance your subnet. Well, it's going to create so much selling pressure, and then when people watching your fucking wallets, they like, oh, the owner is selling, woo, woo, woo. What is going on? The subnet owner is selling. So, bro, the subnet owner is selling. Yo, when I be trying to like record, people see me out here, they want to stop with these loud trucks. Like, bro, let me do my thing. Subnet owner, you made all this, you generate all this revenue, but it's in your alpha token, and you got to sell it to enhance your ecosystem. Well, that's going to create so much seller pressure, and people going to be complaining like, oh, the subnet owner is selling. Well, Subnet 73, MetaHash, what they do is they allow you to sell your alpha against MetaHash over the counter, right? And this is huge because this eliminates the selling pressure from any of the from your alpha or from your subnet. And I can see a lot of subnets doing this because I know the thing is, when you have a cryptocurrency and you got to sell it as the dev or the owner or whatever, people look at it and they instantly think negative. They don't never think like, oh, maybe he's doing something to enhance the project, or maybe they got to pay some bills on the back end. And crypto people just weird, bro. They don't think that type of shit like it's a real business. So Subnet 73, I can see every subnet using this, right? And every time an OTC deal happens, what does it do? It raises the evaluation and brings utility and use case to the actual alpha token for Subnet 73. So this actually is like a buyback. It's like a buyback that's going to enhance the token and help the price appreciate. Every time they close an OTC deal, that helps Subnet 73 and its alpha token. So there you go. Another token that generates revenue, has a revenue generation model. And it makes sense to me because I see and I hear what's going on with the subnets and the FUD that comes behind some of these subnets. So I'm gonna give y'all one more subnet, right? Because y'all know I'm big on gradients, but at the end of the day, that's like a big subnet. It's you know, they're correcting right now. It's actually a very good chance to get some gradients. And for the people that don't know how to buy subnets, just watch the video, how to buy subnets. It's very simple, just like if you was loading up your Phantom wallet, right? You load up your BitTensor wallet, but that's neither here nor there. Go watch the video. Third subnet I want to talk about is Hippias, right? This is the decentralized cloud storage subnet. I believe it's the only one within the TAO ecosystem, and this is allowing decentralized storage. So instead of using AWS or Dropbox, which is ran by these centralized companies, now everybody that has a computer has a fair opportunity to generate and mine TAO by offering their cloud storage. See how that works? By offering their cloud storage, right? So just imagine a community-driven cloud storage opposed to like, what's that, AWS or Dropbox, right? Where, you know, that's really centralized. So if they want to just eliminate your storage, erase it off the face of the earth, they can do that because it's centralized. Well, that can't happen with Hippias. And Hippias also generates revenue, right? They generate revenue whenever anybody uses their cloud storage. And for anybody that's renting out their cloud storage, guess what you do? You earn TAO. You earn TAO. So y'all kind of see how BitTensor ecosystem is awarding you for holding the alpha tokens, but also for anybody that's looking to use the services, these subnets generate revenue. That's what you want from a crypto product, be able to generate revenue, but you as the consumer, as the client, you also want to be able to earn a passive income. So this is why I'm big on the BitTensor ecosystem, because they're an AI marketplace and they're delivering AI services, right? And there's so much opportunity for you to earn passive income, earn APY, learn new things about AI, how AI works, all type of shit. Like, it's not just about the financial aspect of it. I know we all want to make money in crypto. I get it. Like, we all want to make money in crypto. But at the end of the day, it's like bigger than that, right? It's like a learning experience. Me, it's been a great learning experience. So I just want to make that clear. It's been a great learning experience for me because I'm not just earning, but I'm also learning, right? But like, I know a lot of people don't know how to create miners. That's why when all of this no-code stuff happens and you'll be able to, like a normie, you'll be able to walk into BitTensor's ecosystem without knowing how to create a miner, it's going to explode. Bitcast is going to explode because I can see every YouTube creator, every Twitch, every Kick creator using Bitcast because it's the easiest bridge to monetization, right? I don't have to talk to any scam companies. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to go look. I don't have to sell myself. Only thing I got to do is create my miner, check out my briefs, and make my content. Now, my miner uses AI tech to go over my analytics, and then I get rewarded in TAO based on my engagement. And every subnet that I just told you about generates revenue, whether it's 73 metahash, 75 Hippias, or 93 Bitcast. So I wanted to give you guys 3 subnet gems. Hopefully that makes sense for people. Guys, go do the research. Let me know what you think about BitTensor, the subnets that I shared, and I'll get this video out to you guys. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.